I've just created this easy with no lashes makeup look with a bold lip. I think this is really a glam daytime makeup look, I would say. When this eye look could also like make it more intense if you want it more intense. If you like this look, make sure to give it a massive thumbs up and also subscribe if you haven't already. If I actually like this look, so if you want to see more of how I actually got this look, so keep on watching. This is the moisturizer that I'm using, and just doing that. Before our foundation is we're gonna use a primer. I can get a few pumps out of this. It's a powder that I think like 2 shades, almost the same shade but not really. Powder, it's a pressed powder, it's not a eyeshadow or anything, but I mean, what's not really the difference? And I'm using the Eco Tools angled crease brush, and I really love like the Eco Tools brushes. I have a few of them. The L.A Girl PRO.Face high definition matte powder. This one for this powder, and I'm gonna go into the crease a little bit more. I have the price over here, it's 180 rand, like the lightest shade in the palette, this one. And I'm just gonna apply that to and I'm just gonna like side as well. Like that, and I'm gonna go into the highlight shade with that one because I can see the other one is more intense. Like, look at that, really nice. I'm gonna go into the same like this first one here. I'm gonna go into that, and I'm gonna blend it here. I love it. Yeah, just like above that. And again, I'm just taking this other that I use for the brown shade to like blend it out. And then I'm gonna use this shade over here for, I'm actually gonna use the same brush, I think, just the other side. Or multi using here, and just putting this one like on the lid, blending it outwards. And then again, I'm just taking this brush. Everything will definitely come together when you put on your foundation. I'm gonna take that again and just go into the brown shade of the Master Bronze. I know it sounds like a lot of stuff, but it's not. I just wanna like go into this and like make sure that there's no like the color isn't lost or anything. Revlon Photo Ready Airbrushed. I was so impressed, but apparently the foundation is discontinued. L.A Girl Pro.Conceal. Wet n Wild contour and highlighting stick. So I'm just gonna apply that everywhere that I put my contour. So I'm just gonna apply it here and here, sides of my nose, a little bit on the forehead. So blend it out like I'm just using the Yardley absolute translucent powder. using. Okay, while we are at this, we're just gonna take this brush and that brown shade from, I actually used this color to bronze up my face, and I'm gonna use this for the bottom, no, the middle one, no, not the middle, this one, yeah, for the bottom. Okay. So I'm just going to use, I'm just gonna go into the original Revlon palette, and I'm going to use the darkest shade and go as near to the lash line as possible, just for the final looks. I'm just gonna apply this Essence matte touch blush. Okay, now for almost the final thingy, this is gonna do some highlighting from the original palette, this shade here as the nose highlight. And this is the highlighting powder, and in the shade Petals, and I'm just dipping my brush into that nicely, and I'm gonna go here. Gonna use the Loreal Ultra Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade Tasty Ruby, and the smile guys, sure, it's so nice. So it's fabulous. I'm not gonna apply lashes. I'm not really like a fan of lashes at the moment. I'm still like learning to apply them, so a setting spray. I usually use the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set and Refresh Spray. This is really nice. I think just for the final step, I'm just gonna wait till this is completely dry, and then I'm gonna curl my lashes again, because I know that is necessary for me, for my lashes just to stay up.